Morning guys, we are at the clock tower Melaka today. Just surveying house Melaka like. Hari ini adalah hari apa Saya pun dah lupa dah. PKP terlalu lama di rumah. So kita tinjau saja keadaan Melaka. Dah lama tak buat video di Melaka. So friends, here is Melaka. Just a quick look for you. Since we passed by here to grab our lunch. So we are walking from the clock tower towards Jonker Walk. Kita akan jalan daripada Jam Besar menghala ke Jonker Walk. Ini adalah Sungai Melaka. This is Melaka River now. The water is a bit murky. I don't know why. Hard Rock is open. Hard Rock ada buka, tapi untuk take away lah saya rasa. Hard Rock Cafe buka, take away. Saya nampak abang bekerja tadi. So kita tengok. Siapa yang nak tengok apa keadaan Jonker Walk, boleh tengok video Jonker Walk kita lah. Kita jalan di Heeren Street. Okay. Those of you who are interested in Jonker Walk, you can watch another separate video. I've already done walking from there to here. So now we are walking back from here towards Heeren Street. Heeren Street. Most shops are closed. Kebanyakan kedai tutup. Time now is about 10:45, almost 11 AM. Okay, lebih kurang 10:45 sampai pukul 11 pagi lah. Saya tak ada jam, saya agak-agak. Okay, Gravy Baby is also closed. Just bringing you for a quick walk. Okay, the hotel is closed. I think hotels are not really allowed to open. Okay, but this is open. Okay, some properties to let. Hey, look, this is very nice. Cantik, Look at the house number, very creative. Oh, this is an artist. Sunny Cup. Okay, the shops here are also closed too. All are also closed. Okay, banyak yang akan berkata bahawa sekarang PKP susah dan lain-lain. Memang susah It's very tough during this time. But what can you do? The question is, what can you do? Look, very nice. Very nice, intricate work of art. Sangat-sangat cantik. I'm going to zoom in to let you see what I'm referring to. Nampak tak? Begitu cantik sekali. Okay, there's a story over there. 3D some very nice decorations up there. So what is this? This is a boutique hotel, 45-room boutique hotel. Okay, the name of the hotel, no idea. Okay, look at the top. Saya nak tunjukkan atas. Yang ni. Mana? Tak nampak. Nampak? Ada bunga tau, ada bunga. Okay, too much of zooming in. I'll zoom back out. Okay, memang cantik. Very, very nice. So yeah, coming back to what I was saying, during this difficult time, what can you do? There's nothing much if you are jobless. There's nothing much if you are really helpless, but raise the white flag if you need to. But in the meantime, prepare yourself, improve yourself, equip yourself with all the knowledge, all the skills that you can get free on the internet. Many free courses on the internet. Even Google gives free courses. So go and learn some free courses. Okay, so masa ini memang susah. Banyak orang yang tak ada kerja, banyak orang yang tak ada harapan. So apa boleh kita buat? Tengok banyak kedai for sale foreign. Apa kita boleh buat? Kita boleh apa perkataan improve. Okay, kita boleh naikkan nilai diri kita sendiri lah. Macam mana? Dengan pergi tengok kursus-kursus baru, kursus-kursus percuma di internet. Google pun ada banyak kursus-kursus yang percuma di internet. Anda boleh pergi menimba ilmu supaya anda menjadi satu individu yang lebih berilmu dan bersedia untuk berdepan dengan masa depan. Walaupun sekarang susah, mungkin hari-hari yang akan datang akan lebih senang, dan anda dengan ilmu yang anda dapat, tambahan ilmu, anda akan menjadi seorang yang lebih bernilai lah kepada mana-mana syarikat ataupun organisasi yang anda akan berkhidmat pada masa depan. So very interesting. Tengok dia punya papan tanda tu. Itu adalah apa? Tin susu ke? Is that the milk cans? Can you see? Yeah, this. Very interesting. Okay, let's check out closer. Ni tin susu kan? Yeah, it's a milk can. I don't know what code this is in. Saya tak tahu apa kod ni. So kalau anda yang faham lah papan tanda dia. Memang menarik very interesting Okay, kita teruskan. Let's continue our journey. So saya nak sambil kita jalan lah, saya bagi cerita lah. Okay, ada seorang dia tak ada kerja. So dia tak ada kerja, dia pergi main TikTok. Dia main TikTok. Dia dah jadi terkenal. And sekarang dia adalah orang kedua paling terkenal di TikTok di dunia. Anda kenal nama dia? Kabi Lame or Kabi Lame. Yeah. So during these trying times, somebody lost his job during the lockdown and all. And what this guy did was he just went, played TikTok for fun. And within a span of 1 year, he became the second most famous TikToker in the world. Second most famous TikToker in the world. And he's none other than Mr. Kabi Lame. Okay? Or Kanabi Lame. Go check out his TikTok. He doesn't say a word. It's only gesture. So sometimes you don't know what a crisis can actually bring you. So this guy different sources will tell of different value of his net worth. It is estimated that he's between $1 to $2 million rich US dollars dalam mata wang US dollar. So dia dikatakan nilai dia sekarang antara 1 kepada 2 juta. So kadang-kadang mainlah TikTok. Jangan putus asa, mainlah TikTok. Mungkin anda pun akan jadi TikToker terkenal di Malaysia dah cukup. Kalau anda nombor 2 di Malaysia pun dah cukup dah. Mungkin boleh dapat 1 ke 2 juta ringgit Malaysia lah. Betul tak? Semua orang akan cari anda buat advertisement lah, apa-apalah. Okay guys, kita di penghujung jalan Heeren Street. Okay, kita dah sampai kat kubu balik ataupun di permulaan jalan Tengkira. So jangan lupa like, share dan subscribe. Kita semua sedang mencuba, saya mencuba di YouTube. Manakala ada banyak boleh cuba lagi. Okay, jangan lupa like, share dan subscribe video-video kita. Kita jumpa lagi. Saya harap anda akan stay safe. Dan kita jaga kita lah. Jangan harapkan siapa-siapa. So, jumpa lagi. Bye.